Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of production processes. You know, behind every product you see on the shelves, there's a complex and intricate process that brings it to life. From the raw materials to the final packaging, each step plays a crucial role in creating the perfect product. For instance, did you know that the production process for a simple pen involves over 100 different steps? From the initial design to the final packaging, each step is carefully crafted to ensure that you get a high-quality product in your hands. And that's just one example. There are countless other products out there, each with their own unique production process. So, the next time you pick up a product, take a moment to appreciate the incredible journey it's been on. From concept to reality, first and foremost, the production process is the series of steps that take a product from raw materials to the finished item. This process typically involves several stages, such as design, development, manufacturing, and distribution. The design stage is where the product concept is born. This is where the team brainstorms ideas, sketches out designs, and creates prototypes. Once the design is finalized, the development stage begins. This is where the product is refined and tested to ensure it meets all quality standards. Next up is the manufacturing stage. This is where the product is mass-produced, using various techniques and technologies. The distribution stage is where the product is packaged and shipped to retailers or end users. And there you have it, folks, the production process in a nutshell. We hope you found this information helpful and interesting. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.